Up, 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 up. Grabe ang gaan. Grabe ba talaga yung premium finish? 18 by 8. Yes, sir! Ay, po. Ay, kotse. Ang bilis. Galing ah, parang Counter-Strike ah. Tsaka lakas oh. Lapit ka camera. Don't be shy, my friend. Tara na at maglesonan, baby. Wait lang. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Okay, meron tayong bagong unit dito. Ang pangalan niya ay Nami! Santa's in the sleigh with gifts on the way. So, ito yung latest unit ng Nami model. Nami brand. Ito yung pinakamura nilang nirelease ever. Ito rin yung pinakamagaan at pinakamaliit. Ready na tayo mag-unbox, mga boys? Atake. Okay. Up, 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 up. Okay, boys. Labas. Dito pa lang, darling. Premium finish. Beautiful makinarya. Sige, boy. Atake. Beautiful. Wow! 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 Uy. Uy. Muntik na ako ng masunod ng Stellar ah. Gusto ko lang testingin yung suspension. Sa mga di nakakaalam, Nami Klima, yung suspension nun, yung pinakamalambot na na-testing natin ever. So, ito yung mas nakakabata yung kapatid, mas maliit na Nami Klima. Talunan natin. Pwede ba, boys? Pwede, pwede. Ganda. Super compact, darling. Suspension test. Unahan na natin. Suspension test, ha? Boom! Marshmallow! Tara na at mag-assemble, darling. Tararara. So, na-assemble na natin si Nami Stellar. Papakita natin lahat ng features bago natin i-speed test. No? Meron tayong handle grip dito, mechanical brake levers, thumb throttle, signal lights, dashboard na nakakaiba. So, si Nami Stellar lang may ganito. Tapos, yung control cluster niya, iba din sa ibang models ng Nami. Switch, light switch, signal light horn, brake lever ulit, mechanical brake lever, and handle grip. Para buksan siya, long press nyo lang yung power button. May lalabas na NFC dyan. Pwede nga pindutin. Pam! Chiki! Pam! Pam! Meron tayong dashboard dito. Speedometer, odometer, battery bar, gears, and Nami logo. So, para palitan yung gear, plus minus lang. Hanggang 3 lang yung modes yan. 1 pinakamabagal, 3 pinakamabilis. Sa harap, meron tayong headlight and signal lights. Patayin natin yung signal lights. Makikita nyo, meron tayong daytime running light, no? So, kahit umaga, naka-open yan na wala kang option. Pag naka-open unit mo, naka-open yan. Pwede ka mag-signal left and right. Pwede mo rin gawing hazard and headlight. Meron tayong handlebar na 27 inches. Okay, full body alloy, forged yan. Pagbaba dito, meron tayong C-type suspension, marshmallow, 9 inches CST tubeless tires, included dyan. Subok na subok. Meron tayong axle caps right here. Meron tayong mechanical calipers right here. And 140mm rotor discs. Okay, moving forward to the deck. Okay, signature charging port ng Nami. Automatic closing yan, ha. Ayan, meron tayong logo ng Nami dito. Meron tayong grip tape ng Nami Stellar dito. Battery natin, 52 volts, 15 Ah EV cells that can run up to 50 kilometers per full charge. Meron tayong footrest dito sa likod. And step plate. And makikita nyo yung signal light, tail light niya andito sa likod. Meron tayong 18 by 8 inches deck. Very compact. Pwede sumingit. Then dito sa likod, meron tayong mechanical brakes, fenders, axle caps again, 140mm rotor disc, 9 inches CST tubeless tires. Meron tayong single motor hub sa likod with motor power of 2,520 watts, peak wattage that can run up to 50 kph, darling. Powerful machine. Wow! Okay, unfolded size, 49 by 27 by 50 inches, unfolded size. Pag i-fold nyo, mabilis lang. Ito dito, meron tayong lever dito, luwagan nyo lang. Alright, tapos angat nyo to. Baba nyo, meron tayong hook dito, i-hook nyo sa may footrest. Buhatin nyo, darling. Ito ang pinamagaang Nami sa bulat ng Pilipinas at mundo. Meron na tayong 25 kilos na weight. So, very compact at rainproof electric scooter. 49 inches by 27 inches by 22 inches. Very compact, darling. Kasyang-kasya sa kotse nyo. Beautiful machine. Para i-unfold, tanggalin nyo lang itong hook sa likod. Angat nyo to, baba nyo to, at higpitan. So, bago tayo mag-speed test, acceleration test muna tayo dito sa street natin. So, ito 52 volts, kaya inaasahan natin malakas yung hatak.
Lights all over, lighting up the town. Santa's in the sleigh with gifts on the way, bringing joy to the world in his holiday sway. It's the Christmas snow, feel the beat, feel the glow. Holiday spirit everywhere.
Powerful, darling. Powerful acceleration. 52 volts. Yung handling niya, masarap kasi yung gaan eh. Ang bilis Malakas, makikita nyo naman acceleration kasi 52 volts na. So mag-speed test tayo ngayon ng Stellar Base. Dito tayo sa kabahan ng Abad Santos Road, dito malapit sa amin. Tetest natin kung abot ng 50 kph. Meron tayong GPS dito sa watch. Cameraman, tiro mo boy. Oh. Target natin maabot lang 50 kph. Then goods na tayo. Yun na yung advertised speed niya. Let's go. Go! Okay, so tapos na yung dalawang round natin ng speed test. Titingnan natin ngayon yung top speed reading natin. Bang! 51 kph, darling. Woo! Base natin, 51 kph. Mas mabilis. Guaranteed! Motor stamp of approval. Top speed na kuha natin. Beautiful machine. Nami Stellar Base and Max are available now at Motor EVP. Open kami daily from Monday through Sunday, 10 a.m. hanggang 6 p.m. Nasa Waze and Google Maps kami, Motor Electric Vehicle Philippines, a bit